Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign or newsletter using Mailchimp. So to start, you have to be logged into Mailchimp and go under campaigns, and in campaign you say create campaign. In this case, I'm going to create an email campaign that I'll send out to my email subscribers. So I can just say regular. Then I should name the campaign. So almost 100 subs. Then say begin. So that is naming the campaign, and then we can add recipients. So in this case, we select which list we have to send to. So I'll choose free resources. So these are lists that your subscribers have been subscribing to, or the people you want to send to an email. Then I say save. Then it will of course bring out the default sender, which is me, and then the subject I can add be sure to join in, and you are missing out. Then say save. So that way we have created the subject and the preview text. When we send out an email, the subject will appear under the subject. So then we create or we design our email. I prefer always to use a basic template, which is just a simple text, so that I just write everything down. So now we are going to create our email newsletter. This is like going to be the header, the title of your newsletter. We are growing. That is done. We save. After saving our campaign, we preview. First preview how our email is going to look like. So I can also send a test email. So I can just come back here and say save and close. So after saving and closing, we can now send out our email newsletter. We can either finish later working on this, schedule the newsletter to send out maybe tomorrow, or send. So I'll just say send, and it will be sent to 297 recipients. Now say send. So I have finally sent out my email newsletter with Mailchimp. I hope this video brings you value and that now you can create your email newsletters using Mailchimp. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.